Hi everyone, this is Geetu Mirpuri from Divine Touch Healing Academy. I'm a Lama Fera healer and a Lama Fera teacher. This video is to explain you what exactly is Lama Fera. Lama word meaning is disciple, somebody who surrenders to Lord Buddha. And Fera is circle. Fera is a Sanskrit word and it means circle. When you give healing to self on your photo or when you give healing to others, so you make a round around the person or around your photo if it is self healing. So this round, making round around a patient, it's called Fera. So Lama Fera, it is healing with Fera, and there are particular rules you have to follow when you start those Feras, circles around the patient. In this you have to use Lama Fera kit, Lama Fera tools you have to use. That consists of maroon robe, it consists of wand which has crystals on both the sides and it has crystals inside the wand. And you have to have the Bodhi Mala. Basically Bodhi tree is the one under which Gautam Buddha got the enlightenment. And you have to chant the mantra which is Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Sangam Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. In Tibet, basically these lamas, they use this technique which is highest form of healing technique, and it is the fastest way of healing, and they use this technique for healing self and others. Dr. S.K. Sayani, he discovered this, he found about this technique and he has made the notes and he has made this healing available to all of us. To learn this Lama Fera healing, you require one day time, which is 5 to 6 hours. In that you learn about theory of Lama Fera and you get attunement. Attunement means your chakras are opened through Lama Fera healing or Lama Fera attunement. Symbols are put on your chakras and 8 symbols are used in first Lama Fera healing attunement. So you become a Lama Fera healer. You can start giving Reiki to self. You can start, not Reiki, you can give Lama Fera healing to self. You can give Lama Fera healing to others as well. So it's a very simple course but very powerful symbols are used in it. Basically each and every symbol has a very deep meaning, and how it works on the body, it balances male female energy in the body. These symbols, they balance Rajo, Tamo and Sato Guna. These are 3 type of choices we make. These choices are either you are creating something or you are maintaining something or you are destroying something. So Lama Fera makes sure that you are creating things. You are not wasting energy in maintaining, you are not wasting energy in destroying something, but you are creating something. Then Lama Fera symbols, they always equalize your Ida and Pingala Nadi. It also equalizes 5 elements: earth, fire, water, air and sky in the body. There is no such technique which works on these factors: Nadi, Guna, that is Rajo, Tamo, Sato, Guna, male, female and elements. So Lama Fera symbols, they cure you physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually. After learning Lama Fera, you'll notice that your stress level is gone down, negativity from your life is gone, chronic disease they have started curing, and all the negative people are gone from your life. If there's confusion regarding your career, regarding your finance, regarding your health, Lama Fira makes you free from these confusions. They remove the clutter from your life, clutter from your mind, and Lama Fira give you a clear vision of your future. To learn this class, you can call me on the number which is given in the description. Also, you can comment your queries on Lama Fira course, Lama Fira kit and Lama Fira sessions. I hope you all will like this video. Kindly like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.